Hello friends, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn about list groups in Bootstrap 4. List group is basically an unordered list with list items. Let's say you need to set items like 1, 2, 3, 4, or items like products in which you have an image editor, testing tool, heat map tool, etc. You can list it according to list item using list groups in Bootstrap 4. So firstly we will see how we can create list groups. To create list groups, you need UL element, and in that you need to list the class as list groups. Whereas in the LI, which is your list items, you need to set the class as list group item class. Let's see how we can create a list group. Now here you can see we have our Bootstrap structure program. We have used CDN here, and with that we have set the container as div class is equal to container. This will provide a fixed width. Now we will see how we can create a basic list group. First, let's add demo content. Let's add it to h2 and let's set it as the following are our products. Now I'll set a UL tag. Within that, set the class as list group. Now set the LI elements. Now we have added 3 items. Let's add one more. Code formatted tool, let's say. Now you need to add the class as list group item to create a list group. This is for LI items. Now add it on every item. Now we will run it. Here you can see your basic list group is now created. If you want to add more, you can add more LI items and set the class as list group item. Now we have seen the first part. The next part is how to select the list group item. You can set and highlight the current item using the active class. Let's see how. You need to highlight the keyword checker tool. You need to set active here for the keyword checker tool. It will highlight it. I'll run it. Here you can see keyword checker tool is highlighted. In this way you can add it anywhere in any list item to highlight it. Now let's see how we can disable the list group item using the disabled class. Now let's say I'm setting it here. Now I'll run it. On running here you can see image editor tool is now light gray. That means it is disabled. Now we'll see how we can add list group with linked items. You need to use the list group item action class. Now we will add a link for every list group. It will look like a link and you can click on it. To add a list group with linked items, now you need to create links first using the A tag. Now I'll change it to div. With that I'll change it to A tag and add a link here. Now here add list group item action class, and we will close the A tag here. Now do the same for others. So now we have link items. Here you can see 4 of them. Now I'll close it because it's a div now. Now I'll run it. On running here you can see the same list is visible, but it is link. It is now a link. You can click on it and reach any link. In this way you can easily create a list group with link items. We use the list group item action class. Now moving further, here we will see how we can color list items using the contextual classes. Contextual classes basically are BG success, BG secondary, BG primary classes. But here we have list group item success, list group item secondary, and all of these classes for the same work. Now let's see how it works. If you want to add a blue colored list item, use primary, list group item, primary, and run it. You can see a blue colored list group item is visible. Now let's add different one for others. Let's add info here and run it. You can see we have different colors for list group item using the contextual classes. Now we will see how to color a list group with links. For that, this is a demo code, and now we have added the list group item action class as well for creating a list group with linked items. Now we will set the color. Now we'll run it. Here you can see after running the color has been changed. We have changed it for all of them. Now we will run it. On running here you can see the color have been changed and we have a list group with link. So in this video we learn how to work with list groups in Bootstrap 4. We saw how we can create a list groups. We have used 2 classes. First one is list group and the second one is list group item. List group item is to set the items in list group. Then we have highlighted the current one using the active class and disabled it using the disabled class. We've also created list groups with linked items so that user can click on any of the list group item and reach another page using the list group item action class. So we have also colored list item using the contextual classes. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, kindly share it with others. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.